Bertram, Chief Fire Marshal of the Bertram household. I am here to test all our smoke detectors to make sure they're all working. And Andrew's very nervous because he's afraid of all the sound. In fact, he's got ear headphones on now to protect his hearing. So I want Andrew to give me a 3 countdown.
Go.
You gotta count down.
1, 2, 3.
No, it's 3, 2, 1.
3, 2, 1.
Oh, they stopped.
Huh.
That's okay. Go down there and listen for a while. Let's try it again.
Alright. This one works. Yep, that one works. Alright. Okay, all the ones in the basement work.
Okay, I checked all the ones on this floor. You checked the ones upstairs when I started again.
You got it.
I guess it only goes for a short period of time. So I'll wait till you get upstairs and you yell to me when you're ready.
You got it.
Okay?
Where should I start? Should I start in the hallway?
Start in Vicky's room, our room, hallway. The other pretty good.
Go ahead. Alright.
Check
No.
complete.
Huh?
Check complete.
Yep.
Great. Thumbs up. All right,
Doesn't
good
do
job.
business with you.
Yes, sir. Here's your sensor back.